There you go, guys. Based in Lincolnshire, this place. Loads of engines for sale. Just drop me your number, or I can get the owner's phone number. As I said, it's in Lincolnshire and everything's all for sale here. He's got tons and tons of engines for sale. Side valve engines, you name it, he's got it. He's got engines everywhere, all in container units and all sorts. It's amazing. It's hard to believe it's only down the road from where I live. Didn't know all this stuff was here. I mean, here you go, look, nice minor front end grille, look. He's got a, looks like that's a rover grille there. What's that? Wolseley grill there or something like that. I mean, look, steering wheels and steering racks. Look, it's everywhere. Yeah, it's amazing, guys. All this stuff for sale. What's this one? What's that? A monog engine. A monog? Never heard that one before. Diesel. That looks like, yeah, that's a Triumph engine. That is there. A Triumph little engine there. Rolls-Royce engine. There, look. I mean, bloody hell, guys, it's an amazing place. Yeah, he's got all sorts here. He's got bumpers here. You know, oh, MG grill there. Yeah, amazing place. As I say, if you want any bits, guys, just give me your number. I can get the owner's number and he'll tell you what he's got. I mean, he's got stuff everywhere, all kinds of stuff. I mean, even here, look, more engine gearboxes here, look. I mean, this is classic car reffing, guys. There you go.